With glow tips, glow chat, glow fun.
Knowing to who we belong, we
Grow in beauty, wiser and strong.
glow up and see who you can be.
Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters! We all know that COVID-19 has created a new normal. We wear a mask to go about our everyday lives. When we wear a mask for safety, how is the earth affected? Cut the elastics from your mask. You can throw them away or you can recycle them. Accessory or a bracelet. Be creative. Comment down below how you plan to recycle your mask. Don't forget to share this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time, glow up and see who you can be.